Would you take a look at that, ladies and gentlemen? Just like that, the stock market is back in the green. It's currently noon on the East Coast, and we have the S&P 500 up a whopping 1.2%. We have the NASDAQ up over 2%. We have the Dow up 0.6%, and we have the Russell up 0.4%. So today, you guys know the drill. We got to break down the markets, talk about some stocks, and go over what I'm looking to do here. So hit the like button, subscribe. Make sure to join my Patreon if you guys want all my moves. That's linked down below. And you guys could also get 5 stocks from Moomoo, each of which could be valued up to $3,500. Use my link down below, deposit $100, and you guys can get some stocks from Moomoo. And with that being said, let's get right into the video. So look, as of now, SPY is seeing another rally. And first and foremost, and the same thing goes for Triple Q. First and foremost, guys, I do not think this is a breakout rally. I think this very well could be another bull trap. You guys can see already we're seeing a red candlestick forming right under the 180 SMA, which, excuse me, guys, that's been resistance over the past couple of weeks. And just in the past couple of days, do you guys remember we played SQQQ, or at least I played SQQQ, 2 days ago and yesterday on this very same move, you know, the move where we saw a big pop in the morning followed by a dump in the latter half of the day. That's what could be forming right now, and that's what I played in the past 2 days. You guys can see on Wednesday, we saw a pop to about 443. We dumped all the way down to 428. That's where I played SQQQ, and I did that yesterday when this thing ran up to about 442, and it dumped down to about 429. Now we're running up to what? Where are we? About 437. Maybe this does have legs to about 438, 439, maybe 440 if we stretch out this rally. And at that point, I do think bears will step in, and we could end up seeing another dump similar to what we saw on Wednesday and on yesterday. What do you guys think about that? Seriously, that's kind of what's going through my head right now. And for Triple Q, which, full disclosure, guys, SQQQ, just to clear it up, maybe you don't know, SQQQ doesn't track SPY, it tracks Triple Q. So Triple Q here is up 2.2% today. Tech is crushing it. Apple's up 6%. Very strong day for Apple. It's almost back over $170 per share, which is nuts. We have Visa up almost 10%. We'll talk about those stocks in a second. Google's up 2.5%. Very strong day. So we're seeing Triple Q crushing it. And just like SPY, it is rallying towards the 180 SMA resistance here on the 20-day chart. And hold up, guys. Let me get some water. Got to clear up my throat. Give me a second. There we go. Sorry for that. We can see here, look, again, we saw a rally on Wednesday. We went from about, what was it, 352 to about 357. That's where we hit the 180 SMA. We dumped from there down to about 338. And then yesterday we ran up to 351, dumped down to 340. That's where I traded SQQQ, made about 4% intraday, and now we're running up again. So I think we will see resistance anywhere from 350, maybe to 352. That is where I'm looking, seriously, to re-enter into SQQQ. Let me show you guys this chart. And dang, what's going on with my throat today, guys? I promise, I am not sick. I promise you that, but I don't know what the heck's going on. Either way, SQQQ is down 6.5% right now, and this looks like an ascending triangle. You guys can see it. We have clear resistance at about 47.48. We've been uptrending into that. And I'm thinking the buy zone on SQQQ, and full disclosure, guys, this is a levers ETF. It's very risky. Trade at your own risk. But I think the buy zone here could be anywhere from $39 on the low end to about $40 to $41, maybe $42. Literally, this $3-4 window that we're now entering in. I think that is where people might accumulate some shares, as, again, the rally we're seeing in Triple Q could very well be a bull trap. So I'm watching this today. I'm probably not going to force anything, considering I successfully day traded it on Wednesday and Thursday, so I might not force it today. I already made my money for the week, but next week for sure, I'm going to be watching it, right? I'm going to be watching it. And would you take a look at Visa, guys? They reported earnings today, or yesterday rather, and they're up over 8%, almost 9%. And it looks like they're trying to break out of the high from, when was this? The beginning of the year, we hit 225. Now we're trying to break back over it. So shout out to Visa. This stock has been in the dog pound for months, and it's just finally showing some momentum. I don't know if it's going to last, but as of now, it's shown some momentum. And if we take out the high from about a month ago, earlier in January, that's where we might even build more momentum to the point where the next target would be 230, 235, probably more towards 235. So that's where Visa could really start gaining a full head of steam. And for Apple, take a look at Apple, guys. This thing is beasting right now, over 6%, uptrends continuing. We're breaking out of the 50 moving average. We're now on our way to the 180 moving average, which on the 4-hour chart here is at about $172. Now, will we break that? I don't know. I mean, if the market is in a bull trap right now, which it very well could be, I don't think we do break that on Apple. I don't think we break 172. We probably will get rejected before that, and this will probably start dumping back down to the low 160s if we saw an overall market bull trap. But let's say it's not a bull trap. The NASDAQ breaks out after this Fed meeting. Everybody digested it. Markets are, maybe we see a rally. Who knows? Maybe markets are less stressed now. They're waiting for March, whatever, for that first hike. And maybe we get a little rally. Who knows? All I know is 172. We got to watch it on this 4-hour chart. Very, very important. And keep your eyes on the VIX. VIX is now back under 30 points here. You guys can see the VIX it might die down a bit, which could correlate to maybe the market's breaking out. So it really could go either way. It's we're in a very interesting spot, guys. No joke. So if VIX starts coming down 25, maybe 22, it's going to be very interesting to see how that plays out. So overall, that's what I'm looking at. I'm keeping my eyes on the large caps, big caps, to see how the overall markets will perform over the next couple of days. I mentioned on my Patreon video this morning, Apple's going to dictate the day today, and it seems like they have done that so far. Earlier in the day, Apple was up. I think when I made that video, it was up 2.7%, and now it's up over 6%, and the markets are way higher. And I would say a lot of that is due to Apple and the overall big tech stocks. We're talking Apple, Google, all the big dogs, they're doing well. Amazon's up 1.5% today. We have Tesla up 2.4%. We have, what's the other one? Apple's up over 6%. Like I said, we have Google up 2.6%. We have, what's Facebook up today? 2%. Is Netflix up today? Might be. Probably is. Nope, Netflix is not up. It's down. But overall, the big ones, the big dogs, is Microsoft up? Let's see. Microsoft's up 1.6%. So all the big dogs are up. Markets are up. Crazy day. But again, I would be silly, and I'm not telling you you're silly, but I think I would be silly to think that, it's all clear blue skies now, we're rallying. That is why I'm watching SQQQ. So let me know your thoughts, guys. Drop me a comment. Quick little video this afternoon. Hit the like button if you all found value in this video, and make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. That really helps me out overall here on the YouTube platform, and I appreciate all you guys for watching. And if you all want to work with me a bit more one-on-one, you get all my buy alerts, sell alerts, call outs in real time, morning update videos, all that good stuff. That's on Patreon, link down below, or you can go to StockSurfest.com/Patreon, and you guys could also get up to 5 stocks free for Moo. Well, I guess it's not free. You got to deposit $100 at least, and you can get up to 5 stocks, each of which are valued up to $3,500. So check out that Moo link down below. Get your free money. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. As always, keep crushing the market. Stay safe out there. Peace out.